Ski from Völkl is called the V-Works Katana. This has dimensions of another ski in our collection, which is the standard Katana. But the Völkl are trying to produce a collection of skis that are about 30% light than their stock variant to produce a ski that's easier to manipulate while still retaining all the strength characteristics of the old skis. The idea being that, for example, if you look at race car technology, skis that are lighter weight, cars that are lighter weight tend to have better performance, and it's the same situation with these. You take the weight out without losing the strength, you have a more agile ski and one that you can ski faster and stronger for longer. The combination of materials in this, they are wood cord with a carbon wrap through the top. It just produces a ski that's torsionally incredibly strong, but very smooth longitudinally. So it's actually a very easy ski to use, which is quite surprising given its size.
And this would be aimed at the all-mountain skier, or
or more freerider. But within this V-Works collection, there's 3 skis in the collection. We have one for on-piste, one for kind of general all-mountain use, and this is the more bigger country free rider.
Fantastic, thank you.
No problem.